Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we print an entire worksheet of Microsoft Excel. So to do this, we have a sample project here. So to have a print preview, what we're going to do is we'll just press Ctrl plus P for the print preview. Now as you can see guys here, the thing is we are not having preview of entire sheet here. We're just having till Sunday, Saturday and Sunday. That is still here. For the better convenience, if possible, we can do it in landscape orientation. And again, it increases little bit till regular hours till here. And again, if you want to increase, then what we can do is we'll just decrease the margin. Just click on page setup, and here in margins, you can decrease as minimum as you can. I'll keep it 0 and OK. Also, what we can do is we'll just select the thing which we're gonna print and then click here and then select print selection. Now guys, as you can see, all the things on the sheet is here for the print. That's all for today guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.